taking Charlie.
Waiting for the break of day.
Everything checks out. We're in good shape.
Searching for something to say. Flashing lights against the sky. Giving up back.
Artie's aboard and bound. Take cover. We have taken Charlie.
Get some! Get some, motherfucker!
We are taking Bravo.
Staring blindly into space. Getting up to splash my face. Wanting just to stay away. Wondering how much I can pay.
Got eyes on some VC. Fired on the VC.
I'm out.
We are taking Bravo.
Blade is taking damage. Rotor blade damage. What was that? Damage? Enemy down. Bird is nearly dry on ammo. We're under fire. Ammo is nearly out. Nailed it. Okay, we're taking fire. Enemy down. Ammo's out.
We are taking Bravo.
We're nearly out of ammo. The blade is taking damage. Munitions expended. RTB.
Commie bastards inside these fucking huts. Can we just burn these bastards down?
Base, we're in good shape.
Hell yeah, brother. Nuke 'em.
I'm hit. I'm bleeding, man. Red light. Keep an eye on those targets. VC inside that building. VC are in those goddamn fucking vehicles. Goddamn.
Take as many as you can with you, brother. Gotta get a hell yeah, brother. Hell yeah, brother. Hell yeah.
When I find that VC bastard, I'm gonna ram my fucking shotgun down his throat and I'm gonna make him shit out 12 gauge.
Hell yeah,
Checked
brother.
out. We're in good shape.
Hell yeah, brother. I'm LGBT. Liquor, bacon, gun, truth. Hell yeah, brother.
Hell yeah.
Don't let up the trigger until you're all out of bullets, brother. Brother, I don't see any damn gooks down there.
That means you gotta look harder, brother. They're in the tunnels.
I just have to take cover behind a fucking boat. I know I see them.
Brother, I'm back.
One less DC.
Okay, we're gonna win. They got already on our position. Already
Brother,
left
there's an
out.
RPG
Watch
down
out.
there.
We got artillery in our position. I might die here.
Ammo is nearly out.
There's a RPG somewhere down there, he means.
Ammo's out. Keep reaching line.
Brother, there's an arrow.
Ammo is nearly out. We're hit.
Already sport inbound.
God damn, bro,
Take
these
cover.
geeks are good. They're already about 10 cunt hairs away from my face.
I'm throwing smoke grenades for your advances. Y'all better get moving.
Hell yeah, brother, we gotta get on that
We are taking Bravo.
Papa Bear, ooh, fucking raw.
Hoorah, brother. Dominant track.
Okay, let's get going.
Brother, we just gotta get to the objective, throw a shit ton of grenades, and that's all.
I see these BC running scared.
Get in the point, brother.
Oh, I just blew a VC's arm
We
off.
have taken Bravo.
Nice job, brother.
I was just doing killed like 10 VC.
Nice job, brother.
I got eyes of the VC shithole. A lot of VC are flocking out of it.
Brother, lighten up.
We're nearly out of ammo.
We're back. Don't need for life.
One less
Final objective.
Alright, you spangle-eyed, chicken-looking motherfucking gooks, I'm about to rip your head off and shit down your neck.
Hell yeah, brother. In that order?
In that order.
Hell yeah.
small armor fire. Use your head.
I just got shot in the ass, what the fuck?
Anyone hurt? Okay, we're
Brother,
taking
that's
fire.
kinda gay.
That is very gay.
How many of you was looking at your ass, brother?
Dirty VC.
Brother, your ass is kinda patriotic.
Thank you. I got the American flag painted right on it.
We're nearly out.
Hell yeah, brother.
Got the American flag tattoo on my ass. Got the American flag boxers. Get the American flag assless chap.
Hell yeah, brother.
My wife's probably getting fucked by Jody, but I don't give a shit.
Dry on ammo. Munitions expended.
I heard Jody was gay anyways.
As long as I'm here
Hoorah.
fucking killing some VCs, I don't give a fuck.
Hell yeah, brother.
Kicking ass and chewing bubblegum, but I'm about to run out of bubblegum, so I got my stoogie.
We're nearly out of ammo.
Final objective.
It's alright, I don't need my wife. I got some girls from Saigon.
That, I heard Saigon was one of them in her days.
I don't know, I feel a little funny after spending the night with Ming Lee.
Oh no.
Off in the U.S. military having a shotgun that's made of a sniper because this fucking thing destroys!
Load and repair.
Got a fox tunnel destroying.
Brother.
Good night, you fox tunnel motherfucking digging Jew.
Fully rearmed. Base, we're in good shape.
Tunnel's out.
Brother. Brother, we can't get out of your helicopter. It's too high. Time to break our legs. Brother, please don't. I don't like the one, brother. Totally did.
One less DC.
I like my deer. I like my wife.
Resupply.
You got this out. Brother, I hate walking. Now I gotta swim.
One less
How's my flying today, guys? Just cut the square.
Patriotic, brother.